actually,
Yeah.
in Alberta, there was nobody. Anytime I go to the border, there's no border, no mercy. I had to go to the station and say, I have to see that. I said, I said, I don't know. That's what the border, I'm telling you. There's nobody.
Yeah, it's quieter now.
Oh, now, yes, but before it was everything.
All quieter now.
Yes, but over there, like California, well, you know, when you were born in a weather like that, it's similar, it's very similar. But we don't have earthquakes and we don't have floods like that. So that's a good.
Yeah, it's bad. San Diego.
Yeah, but you see the area, you know, some I used to Palos Verdes. Did you see how it's collapsing? It's because of the sinkholes, and they're not even fixing the water main because it breaks every day. So they said. But this, I like the system.
I don't know if I have a favorite place. They're all pretty good. I mean, every place has its special place.
Exactly. Well, you have a point everything, but some places they have many places. Like Montreal is nice for certain things. But for instance, you need. I like a place that I can have fresh fruits, fresh, not the ones that bring here. They bring for Chile.
Right.
No good.
Right.
No good because it's travel
So far.
They picked it up like mature.
Right.
So it's
Right.
you know the people that go to Argentina, you have such a good food. Because last week we have the weather, the winter is about 14 Celsius. So it's about like maybe 60.
50, yeah.
No, it's 59 something. Yeah, so that's the winter. So, you know, when we have like 4, 5, whatever, in Chinese banking, Chinese the lowest, everything from olive, whatever we can, they give us like a rice, fill up whatever. But it's not
You
because
guys know what we do.
no, but also it's not because it's good if this, you know, Earth is so fertile, so sick, you know, and it gets the proper amount of rain and things. So, you know, that's why you grow everything.
Killing all the pesticides and everything. I mean,
But that's
fertilize it.
Are we, do you think we're still considered inland? Because we have land all around here, except for over there where the inlet is.
Oh, but it goes up to 2 to 3 miles.
I turned it off because that's what I wanted to see.
Yeah, our area was not, yeah, there was some store back then, but they got thousands of dollars.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Well, oh, you have to put it on airplane mode.
Just to get out.
I just don't want to forget. I have Verizon. Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, we have
We just checked this morning, we had Right Mountains.
You still live in Saskatchewan, you said, right?
Regina, yeah.
Oh, in Regina now.
Yeah.
But I remember at the time I used to, this was in the 70s, Wednesdays afternoons, everything was closed. Not now anymore.
No, like Sundays used to be.
No, but yes, Wednesdays afternoon it was no, it was a custom, you know, like in the 70s. Stores.
I know there was a guy.
Yes, yes.
We're done, sir?
I'm not sure that's not
We're
mine.
done, sir? We're done?
Oh, it's not mine, yeah.
Thank you. Not even the same with that. I know it's small, but I like that. The bridge there.
Who knows? No, the boat.
And there I get whatever I want. It's instant.
Did you see the Facebook of Silver Springs? And if you watch
They actually the company that I the big machine there is 300.
Some of these guys don't like to work in the 100 more than they do. Some of these young guys, I don't work much anymore. I just take on the odd job.
No, I company I just or support, on the phone, FaceTime,
Yeah.
direct or remotely I can fix you, but I'm not upfront.
The upfront person.
But I need a big
Oh yeah, yeah, yes.
But you know, really disappointed. I'm not really disappointed in this. I started it's one of the
Yeah.
make it, like he knows how to.
Yeah. Trusting you and you the right people. I know a guy at one of my friends. Online. Yeah. Yeah. Back in the 70s, we did a job for a guy, and he was, Royal Company and a whole bunch of different things. He was busy, he was an MP and and then he put so much trust in his vice president and his president of his company, of the oil company side. And so he was too many hours. He didn't part of the business. He just trusted his leadership and he didn't
Oh, that's cool. When I print, they print they make it look open it. know.
Yeah. Put the hot water into there and then get the flavor. And,
You get one cup out of it.
yeah.
Check your price. Check your wine. That's good. It's really good. What's the big for?
50 cents a
I
hot.
haven't even thought of them. That's why
Canadian.
I'm on my vacation. Look at that.
We buy the 24 box.
This must be special. $80 or
At the store though?
I don't like paying more than 50 cents. Although the price is going up, sometimes it's like 12 or 12, $13.
So, dyan tayo galing. Oh. Yung pinagalingan natin kanina. Tampa, Florida. So, dyan galing yung barko natin. Yung kaninang video, nasa unahan tayo. Ngayon naman dito tayo sa likuran ng barko. Yan, makikita mo yan ng barko. Ayan. Yan yun ang city ng Tampa. Diyan tayo galing kanina. Papunta tayo ng Curaçao at saka Aruba. Diyan tayo galing kanina. Yun yung Tampa Bay, Florida. Akala ko alas 5 alis yung barko, alas 4 pala, umalis na. Umaga sila ngayon. Diyan tayo galing kanina. Ganda mo naman yung area ng Tampa. Naman sa kabila. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Yan yung kabila na area. Mamaya pakita ko kayo sa may swimming pool, dami kasing tao doon, saka marami pang program, may mga program pa, saka malakas na yung hangin. Ayan, isda, daming mga ipon, labo pa siguro yung isda na daanan. Ng Tampa, nakikita mo yung seaside ng Tampa, parang mga beach din siya din. Ganda din. Yung pan dito, dami din pasahero. Bawal lang kasi makuha na natin. So, huwag natin kuhanan. Ayan. So, yan ang Tampa, Florida. Kakaalis lang ng barko. Punta tayo ng Curaçao or Aruba. Dito naman yung sa kabila. Ito naman yung sa side, kabilang side tayo, nakapwesto. Yan. Ito yung barko natin. Oh. Yan. Malas na siya. Hindi masyadong tao dito kasi nasa kabila. Yan. kabila maraming tao doon. Dito ito sa back, sa dulo kasi ito. Kanina doon tayo sa unahan, daming tao. Maganda din dito. Umpisa na ng mahangin. Yan yung Tampa, Florida, bay nila. So dito pumapasok yung cruise ship. Yan naman yung mga island na dito. Malakas na yung hangin. Tingnan natin sa taas natin, tingnan. So, ito yung barko natin, no? Norwegian Star. Ayan. So, dito yung sa kabilang side. Ito yung makikita natin dito. Linis din yung tubig nila. Hindi masyadong mabarko dito. Kaysa doon sa kabilang sa Miami, daming mga cruise ship doon. Kita natin. So, punta tayo dito sa kabila. Kunti lang mga pasahero dito. Andun kasi sa kabila. Namin na sa loob. Ito yung dulo ng barko. Pinaka dulo niya. Yung sa unahan kasi forward. Ito yung backward dito. Yan. Ito yung pinakagitna dito. So umpisa pa lang ng alis yung barko. So dami dito. So may party dito. Yan, kita mo. Daming tao. May kantahan, yung swimming pool dito. Bago lang siya nagkamalis yung dito. May party dito. Ito yung cruise ship. Napakaingay. Ayan. May mga kantahan. Ayan. Yung sa kabila, kunti lang tao dito kasi nandito lahat, halos sa lahat dito nandito. Kanina dami kasi umpisa may mga zumba pero pa rin dito. Ganito talaga pag umpisa ng pag-alis ng barko, may kantahan, sayawan, inuman. Daming tao. Mga pampalito yan, may bar pa dyan. Dami pa dyan tao. Maingay, masaya dito. May party pag ganito talaga pag mag-umpisa. Mamaya na ito. Tapos dito. Palayo na tayo galing sa Tampa, pero makikita pa rin natin yun. Ito yung Tampa, tsaka diyan tayo dumaan, galing sa pier, tsaka papa Atlantic Ocean na tayo, tungong Caribbean. May isang cruise ship din dyan, yun ang Carnival, umalis na rin. Ito yung makikita natin dito. Ito yung pinakadulo ng barko, out. Kasi yung sa unahan, yung forward tawag nila. May swimming pool din dyan. May nanganaligo. May bar dyan. So ito, kita natin. O yan, may bar dyan. Hindi natin kasi ma-close up kasi maraming tao. Tsaka ito yung mga tao na nagpan dito. Tumitingin paalis ng barko. Yung barko natin, tinatawag natin Norwegian Star. Yan Norwegian Star. Tingnan natin, kita pa ba natin. Yan ang pangalan, Norwegian Star. Pang-apat ko na barko ito, pero 8 na yata or 6 yata ako naka-cruise na. Maganda siya, pero maliit lang, hindi masyado malaki na barko. Saka dito, kabila, ibang city na naman niya, yata yung Miami. Palayo tayo. Dito tayo dumaan, dyan, sa may Tampa. Palakas na rin ang hangin, kaya mamaya pasok na tayo. Tsaka palamig na yung hangin dito. Ang ganda siya. Sa umpisa maganda yung opening ceremony nila. Kanina na i-post ko yon, yung kantahan tsaka mga sayawan nila. I-post ko yon mamaya. Ayan. So yan lang mga makikita natin dito. Ayan. Okay. So, patapos na yung program. Marami pa rin mga tao. Mamaya na naman may mga happy hours dito. Doon sa loob. Yeah. So, enjoy na enjoy yung mga tao. Hindi siya masyadong maraming pasahero. Maliit lang siya na barko. Siguro mga 2,000. 1,500 or 2,000 passengers lang ito. Pero maganda din siya na barko. Maganda din. Isa ito sa mga maliit na barko ng NCL. Nahati yung mga tao na may mga party kasi doon sa loob din. Tapos dito din may mga party din dito. Tingnan natin kung makakuha tayo ng sunset. Lubog na yung araw pero mas pa rin siya. Bright pa rin yung araw. Napakalakas pa ng araw sa kabila. So hintayin natin na magkuhan siya para makuha natin ng sunset. Enjoy na enjoy yung mga tao, mga cruiser. Kasi doon sa Mainland malamig doon. Dito okay na yung klima. Kaya yung iba lumayo sa winter. So dito na stay ng bakasyon sa Caribbean kasi mas mainit yung Caribbean. Walang snow doon. Walang snow dito sa Florida. Maybe some part of Florida na may mga snow. Pero karamihang mga city wala talagang snow. Lalo na yung Tampa at saka Miami. Ayan. Tapos na yung palabas nila pero yung iba naliligo pa rin.